Divine Collective, I had one of you ask me if I could explain what do I mean by there's levels to this, okay? There's so much that I can't explain when it comes down to the levels of the matrix or breaking free, Divine Collective, but I'm just going to shorten it up a little bit by giving you an example of what I mean by there's levels. Let's take celibacy, for example, Divine Collective. When you're first awakening, say you're first awakening, this is probably the furthest thing from your mind, right? Like, that you are going to get to a place in your journey where you are going to make the decision to want to be celibate. Why? Because you get to a place on your journey, Divine Collective, after certain experiences with certain individuals that bring you to this place of wanting to love yourself more, okay? And that's absolutely what I mean when I say there's levels to this, okay? Because once you get to that point where you crave, it's like you crave celibacy because you know, it's like you see the world differently, you see people differently because of what you've experienced, because of what you've been through. When I was first awakening, like I said, I can only speak for me, Divine Collective, but it's usually, celibacy is like probably the last thing on your mind, Divine Collective, at least it was in mine. As you know, I don't share too much personal information, but it was just the last thing on my mind. It was only when I started to go within and do the shadow work and yeah, Divine Collective, I just started to go within and my perspective started to change on a lot of different things, and you know, I just didn't see how it would be beneficial for me as an energy reader to allow people or a person into my personal space that wasn't reciprocating the same type of energy that I was giving off. Like I had got to a point where I was done doing that. I was done over giving. And yes, I was in a relationship, so that was a hard decision to make. You know, that's a decision that you make on your own. It's not something that you discuss with your partner. But in my situation, I made that decision, and you know, the blowback later came. You know, some of you may deal with partners that say things like, you didn't think to talk to me before you made this decision. And that's something that I also had to go through. But you have to understand, Divine Collective, you have to have the understanding that not everyone is thinking like you. You might want for these people to be awakened around you and see things the way you do or feel the way you do, but they're not, and they don't. And sometimes there's situations that just require a little bit more, you know, understanding. You know, when people start to act out or say things like, you don't think you should have talked to me when you made this decision. They'll say things like that, even though this is your body, and why should you have to talk to someone else about making the decision to go celibate? You know, I don't think they're really thinking about how that sounds. Everybody's different, okay? Everybody's different. I understand that some people know exactly what it is that they're doing, okay? But there are people who are innocent when you hit them with, hey, I think I'm going to be celibate, and you've been with this person for a while, right? That's what I had to go through. But I had to get to that level, right? I had to get to that level, Divine Collective, and that's what I mean by there's levels to this. You can't force anything. You kind of got to go with the flow. Listen to your intuition. Allow yourself to be guided, Divine Collective. You know, no pushback. Really give God complete control in your life, all right? And you'll notice. You'll start to pick up on the different levels. You know, pattern recognition starts to kick in at some point on your journey, and you'll start to realize, you know, when you are about to come out of a certain level or when you're going into that level. At least that's how I feel in my experience, Divine Collective, and I just wanted to give an experience, I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little insight on what I mean when I say there are levels to this. Okay? Peace, love, and light.